Hey guys, so today is a very exciting day. As you can see, here's a box in front of me from VelocityAP. After about a year of going on the forums, back and forth, doing my research, I finally pulled the trigger last week. Emailed Mr. Stewart there, who's the owner of Velocity, and within a few days with priority shipping, this is what I got in. This is their own belt they had made. So as you can see, it's double-sided, the ribbing, so that you no longer have to change out the idler pulley. So that's beautiful. As you can see, they even got their logo printed on it. So that's number one. Nice little VelocityAP sticker to add to my box full of stickers. I've already got a VelocityAP sticker because I already have their tune on my car. Absolutely love their tune. So far has worked flawless, a year and a half. And just overall, my experience with them has been great so far. So I plan on, let's see if I can do this with one hand. I plan on installing this pulley this weekend. Should be pretty straightforward. This is an 11.8% overdrive crank pulley. So you're spinning that supercharger 11.8% faster, getting a few PSI more, and just look at this thing. It's beautiful. It's an aluminum pulley. It's anodized black. It's just a really nice piece. I'm very impressed with the quality of this part. Very impressed. At first I was like, a little bit of money, but I understand. The belt, the part, it's top notch. So I'm very excited to get this on and share the results. The drag strips are closed right now. They should be opening in a few weeks though. So we should be at around, 640, 630 crank horsepower. So once this is installed and things get back to normal, I'd like to bring my car to a four-wheel drive dyno and at least get some, some numbers, see where we're at. Hopefully it's above 500 all-wheel horsepower. I've seen, Hennessy stated they made about 530 all-wheel horsepower. I believe they have a dyno jet. I know they're just dyno numbers. It's all about, acceleration times, 100 to 200 times, etc. But I'm surprised that there isn't much content on YouTube. I don't even think, I think this is the first time someone shares the actual crank pulley, what it looks like with the Velocity belt. So I'm gonna do a full installation video next weekend. Should have this done Saturday within a couple of hours, and then I'll share that full install. But I'm just surprised to see that with all of these F-types on the streets, a lot of them running Velocity's tuning and crank, there isn't really much content out there, whether it is parts, installation, performance. There are very few dyno numbers, very few before and afters. So I don't know, it's pretty strange. A lot of people, I guess, don't bother filming, or maybe F-type owners are really shy in general. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm very excited for this. Install next, and then at least draggy times. I'm gonna order a draggy now and start posting some draggy times with the F-Type R. My car runs strong. I'm not saying that because it's my car. I drive an Aventador, drive other cars. I feel it runs very strong. Maybe I got a factory freak, but yeah, we'll see, guys. So I'll keep you posted, and until next time, stay healthy.